So today I'm planning on replacing the here in America the passenger side mass airflow sensor, the MAF. I already did replace the driver's side, fairly easy. I still have to put on the clip thingy. Honestly, I think it took me 5 minutes, but nonetheless, I think I should post a video about it too. It might help out somebody. I think this will be super easy. I got the part from quickparts.com. Here's the part number 245028. Came in a Ferrari box, certified, everything, or at least I hope it's certified. One caution, and I think probably like half the reason I'm making this video is with parts like these, sensor parts, plasticky parts, those are so easy to replicate. There's a lot of fakes out there, especially if you buy on eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba. I won't even recommend venturing that way. So I highly recommend either buying it from a dealer if you can. I didn't want to buy it from a dealer. The dealer was selling this part for almost $600 after taxes for a mass airflow sensor, which that's ridiculous. Scuderia parts had this for, I believe, $500 after taxes, so about a couple hundred different from the dealer. I got this, it arrived in which seems to be a certified Ferrari box, certified mail, legitimate website. I think I got this part, this with taxes, shipping, and everything for $200. So significant savings. Again, I'm a tiny fish, not sponsored by these guys. I didn't get this for free. I paid out of my pocket. This is the part. Let me take it out of the box. You can't mess this up. There's only one way to put it on. It has an arrow for the airflow. Obviously, you put that towards the engine. Just take it off the same way you put it on. And what I'm going to do also is this one only has about 3,000 miles on it. I usually, when I do the 3,000 to 5,000 mile service, oil change, the air filters, I hate cleaning these with the MAF air sensor cleaner, so I just replace them. And what I do is I post the old ones on eBay. I put the miles that they have on them. I mentioned that they're used, and sometimes they sell for like $100 or so. So that recoups about half of the money from here. But the car runs much better when these are new, when these are clean. I'm sure when you're driving a 6.3 V12, you're not worried about gas mileage, but it gets great gas mileage when these things are new. So going to take off the clips. As I said, that one's already replaced. Going to take off the clips, put this back in, and the easiest way to do this is to this one is a little more flexible, and there's also a clip right here, so make sure you disconnect that before taking it off. Is once you disconnect these little things, just kind of like lift it from the bottom, it'll come off. And before you do that, make sure to 100%, anything with sensors that you do, make sure you disconnect the battery. That's what I did. Pull this thing towards the cabin, and once you do that, boom, yep, once you hear that snap, and it's out. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver, unscrew these, and pop it out in. So I loosen these, and I recommend loosening them as much as you can without popping them off, because there's little indents there that hold them to the air inlet system. And what I do is I just slide my hand in the bottom and I just pull it up. Release it from the side closest to the hood first, to the front bumper, and then from the engine side. Boom, pop, lift, and then alrighty. So recommend untightening this as much as you can without popping them off, and I actually popped it off. But what you do is you put your hand at the bottom, lift it up, this side comes off very easily, and then from that side you just kind of like hold it, and recommend doing it with two hands and twist and pull towards yourself. Boom, done, easy peasy. The second you do that, pick up the new one and make sure you don't mess it up and put the old one back in. You know what, I'm gonna put this as far away as I can from myself. yeah, and then this one goes same way, reverse. First pop it towards the engine side, and then pull it down, push it down, and then pop it to on the air filter side, and that's it. Easy peasy. On the sensor plug, just slide it in very gently as far as it goes, and don't push it in. What you do, don't push the sensor in, just push the switch in, and that should take it all the way in. Boom, done. Yeah, make sure it clicks nice and tight, and you're done. Yeah, I think that took less than 5 minutes. If I had not recorded, might have been even less. Put the caps back on the old one. As I said, you know, this has barely 3,000 miles on it. I'm gonna post it on eBay. If somebody bids on it, good. If not, then I'll just, you know, take it to my parts store and let them recycle.